what you desire most comes when you no longer grasp for it. Effortless creation unfolds in the delicate balance of intention and surrender. For only in surrender does intention take form.
जैसे मैंने बताया, you don't need to control it, you don't need to hold it. Effortless creation unfolds in the delicate balance of intention and surrender. You create it in your mind and in your heart, and then you let go. Let go means letting God. Now letting God do it, because you know that God will do it better than what you can do. So that's why it is a delicate balance of intention and surrender. While you have an intention, while you have an emotion, but at the same time you surrender. For only in surrender does the intention takes form. The moment you surrender, again you uplift your vibration, because you have created it, but at the same time you are free from it. The moment you are free from it, you upgrade your vibration furthermore, and you feel the freedom. The universe say, oh, you're feeling the freedom? Oh, let me give it more to you so that you feel more freedom. So only in surrender does the intention takes form. Otherwise, what happens is, we meditate, we create, we visualize, we emotionalize, and then we are waiting for it. अरे अभी तक की हुआ नहीं, मैंने तो इतना ध्यान किया था, इतना meditate किया था, but अभी तक के हुआ नहीं, and we become impatient. If you are looking for it, you are separate from it. And we become impatient, and then we lose our vibration. And by the time the universe comes to give it to you, to deliver it to you, now you have a different vibration. The universe says, oh, sorry, wrong order. Now let me match something which is as per your current vibration. फिर आप बोलते हो मांगा तो कुछ और था, कुछ और ही हो गया, क्योंकि by the time वो चीज आई, आपका वाइब्रेशन बदल गया. आप रेस्टोरेंट में गए, आपने ऑर्डर तो किया था पनीर कोफ्ता, but by the time वेटर पनीर कोफ्ता लेके आया, आपने बोला नहीं मुझे तो भैया आलू मटर चाहिए, तो बोला वो सॉरी रॉन्ग ऑर्डर, मैं आलू मटर लेके आता हूँ. तो आप ही आपका वाइब्रेशन बदलते जाओगे, तो योर वाइब्रेशन इज लाइक योर ऑर्डर टू द यूनिवर्स, टू द जिनी. So the problem is not that you did not meditate. The problem is not that you did not had a right vibration. The problem is you keep changing your vibration. You don't sustain your vibration. And then you say, why manifestation is not happening? Because in your order and the delivery, there is a gestation time, right? आप रेस्टोरेंट में जब खाना ऑर्डर करते हो, इंस्टेंटली तो नहीं आ जाता ना, उसको बनने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, और वो अच्छा है. थोड़ा टाइम लगता है कि कभी आपको ऑर्डर बदलना है तो एटलीस्ट आपके पास टाइम है ऑर्डर बदलने का. कई बार हम नेगेटिव इमोशन सोचते हैं, कोई सिचुएशन आ गई, वे ना नेगेटिव इमोशंस, वे ना नेगेटिव वाइब्रेशन, लो वाइब्रेशन. इमेजिन अगर इंस्टेंटली वो चीज हो गई तो लाइफ विल बी सो ट्रेजिकल. सो द जेस्टेशन इज टू आवर एडवांटेज, बिकॉज इट गिव्स अस टाइम टू रिफ्लेक्ट and to again find our own alignment and again change our vibration or again raise our vibration. So it is to our advantage. And God, there's a gestation time. But till that gestation time, you have to hold on to your vibration and hold on so well, hold on so good that it becomes your nature. That becomes your state of being. Now happiness is your nature. It is natural to you. Being fun, being carefree, being light-hearted, being spontaneous, being creative, being joyful, smiling has become your second nature now. Now that has become your state of being. And your state of being is your personality. And your personality creates your personal reality. So practice, practice, practice till the time you don't need practice. It's like learning to cycle. शुरू में जब साइकिल चलाना सीखते हैं तो बैलेंस करना पड़ता है, ध्यान देना पड़ता है कहीं मैं गिर तो नहीं जाऊं. एक दो बार गिरते भी है, फिर आप उठते हैं, फिर बैलेंस करते हैं. बट फिर प्रैक्टिस करते 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 अब आप सोचते भी नहीं कि अरे बैलेंस करने की जरूरत है. नो, बैलेंस इज नेचुरल टू यू. सेम वे बीइंग हैप्पी, बीइंग जॉयफुल, बीइंग फन, it should become natural to you.